This is Nathan. He is a 32-year-old man. He's a chef, so his job is to cook food. Nathan is very sociable and confident. He loves spending time with his friends at the pub. He is a very loud person and he loves meeting new people. Nathan is tall and slim. He has got short brown hair. He never has a beard. His eyes are big and brown. He usually wears casual clothes. Nathan lives in the countryside, in a small village in England. He lives in a big house on his own. He isn't married and he doesn't have any children. When he is at home, he likes to watch TV. He loves to watch football matches on TV. Sometimes he invites his friends to watch a match with him. Nathan was born in England. His parents are from the south of England. They live in Bournemouth. Bournemouth is a lovely place to live. It has lovely beaches. Nathan has a sister. His sister is 55 years old. She is a doctor. She loves her job. She works in a hospital in the south of England. She has a lot of patients. Nathan loves trying different wines. When he goes out with his friends to a pub, he drinks beer, but at home he likes to drink wine. He loves red wine more than white wine. Nathan has 2 pets. He has 2 fish. His fish are goldfish, so they are orange or gold. He can't have a cat or a dog because he is allergic to them. Nathan's fish don't do much. They just swim in their tank. He feeds his fish once a day. They don't eat a lot. His favourite day of the week is Friday because he goes to the pub in the evening with his friends. His favourite season is summer because he can spend more time outside in the sun. He loves sitting outside in a restaurant garden on a sunny summer evening. His favourite month of the year is July because he goes on holiday then. He usually goes to Turkey. There are some lovely beaches in Turkey. Nathan loves it there. Question time. Question number 1. Who does Nathan live with? Question number 2. What pets does Nathan have? Question number 3. What is Nathan's favourite season? You can write your answers in the comments section and I can correct them. I hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.